To export data, first we create a template. We change the mode to template. We add random condition on the entry. We can eventually add random condition to the exit. Then we can add random condition on the profit and stop as an example. Then we add, so we have our template with random condition. We can add more eventually. We add a new rules. We will rename it to export data. We add one variable, actually two, but we will add export data as a boolean. This parameter will tell the retester to export or not. So it will be false for the builder, but it will be true. We will set it to true inside the retester. We will add a second rule, an action only rule, at the beginning. Rename. Each rule is executed from left to right, from top to bottom. So we will set it the init rule at the very beginning. We will add another variable, which is an entry signal, to know when is the entry signal. It's an init, it's an integer. Perfect. We will do an async. Okay. Initially, on the first rules, it will be null. Each time we have an entry, we will use this async. We will copy paste it here. Each time we have a signal, a long entry, for example, we can tell the next rule that we have a long entry. The same thing for short. We have this variable. We set it to -1. It could be to 1, but okay. So each time we have an entry, the variable is set to a number different than 1. Here. So now the export data rule will be executed if the entry signal is different, not equal to 0. And if we have our export data flag, telling the rules to export the value. So now we will add some value. It could be 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's say an integer, but it could be a double for an indicator. We will add 2 or 3 double. We add an async variable. And we take the first variable, and let's say that we would like to see an EMA, for example, indicator. So here is an example. On the first variable, we set an EMA, like that. Each time we have an entry, we look at the EMA. We will do the same on the next variable. Variable 1, variable 2, variable 3. This time we can check another indicator. It can be an RSI as an example. On the next one, we can be any information you need, Bollinger, why not? And then you add your action block, which will read this data and send it to a file. We add export data or export data snippet, and we specify the path of the file, and then we select the variable we want to export. If we set only 3 and we leave the remaining value to the default value, in this case, it will export only the 3 value. Okay. So now we can save it and use it inside the builder. So we can see the template is running. If we check one of the strategy, we look at the variable, at the parameter, we can see that the export data, the Boolean export data variable is set to false. This is why it won't export the data in the builder. If we send to the retester the strategy, then we can we look at the same parameter. We set export data to true to tell the retester to use the rules. It will activate the rules, and then we run we can apply eventually the config. Well, it's okay. And the retester is exporting the file. As we can see, we have the date with time, open, ILO, close, volumes, and the different field. In this case, I put 5 inside the template, and it's running correctly. If we check the code, it's very simple. We are adding some library. Here is the input parameter. So eventually you can add more parameter. We have 5 value, but you could add more or less, remove, depending on the value. It will export the date, time, open, ILO, close, and depending of the default value, it will export more or less. If you have the value 4 or 5 set at the default value, it won't export this field. It's a good opportunity to practice the code, but as you can see, in less than 100 lines, you can build a tool very efficient, a very efficient tool. So don't forget to set the correct path and to set the value. You can have 2-3 blocks. It could export to different folder. You can as well use the rules. Here we use it for the entry, but you could use it for the exit. It's exactly the same. In this case, you put your signal on the exit instead of the entry. You could as well collect the data during the thread and export the result at the exit. You could as well pre-calculate an average of the value on each data point. For example, you could collect it and do an average. Here I am using the indicator value, but don't forget that we have as well the strategy. We can collect information on the position, the open, profit and loss. This can be practical. And the account equity as well. You can add more field. This is why it's very practical and very helpful to use a code editor, because you can add more and more data.